So, testing Firecrackers, what we have available. Still in stock, and probably won't see any more of these for years, but we're going to start off with number 1, which is a small little cracker. So, whenever you're ready, go ahead. Not bad. That's a nice little bang. Nothing crazy, but pretty respectable. Here's number 2. Little whistle. Okay, a little bit of pop. Oh, I hope number 3 is still sitting there. Yeah, there's number 3 right there. Okay, here's the third one, number 3. Nice bang. All right. There's number 4. I hear one been a fuse out. Here, I'll lift it out a little bit.
There you go. That should do it.
Okay. That's pretty loud. And yeah, that looks a little worse for the wear.
Yeah.
Now I'll put number 5 in here. I'll set him right there.
This
one. Okay. Okay, I'm going to back up a little bit for this one. That's a bang. And there goes that. Alright. We'll put number 6 on here.
Would you want to move 7 and 8?
Yeah, let me pick these up because they want. I don't know how much it's gonna. It's a good idea. All right. Oh, there he goes. There goes number 6. Little flare. Whoa! Hoorah! Something came flying over there. Oh, it's still intact.
Oh.
Just put a little hole in it.
Wow.
I didn't think that'd still be there.
Yeah.
All right, let's put number 7 on there and see what happens with this one. Ah. Wrong one. Oh, wire's ringing. All right. 7 was a nice boomer. That cake is still there. Still there. Amazing. All right, let's put number 8 on here, and I expect this will do it in after this one.
Oh God.
Yeah, this one's loud. Ah! I want to get back. I don't want to get hit by any of that wood if it flies out. Whoa. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa, there it goes.
There it goes.
All right, blew that all up. It blew it up. Okay, so that's all 8 of them, and like I said, it's gonna be hard to find any of that stuff for years probably. But anyways, nice checking them out. Thanks for checking out the video. See you next time.